In this tutorial, I'm going through over how to show you in Midjourney image prompts and uploading image and mixing together images. So let's get started. First of all, head to your favorite browser. In this case, I'm heading to Google Chrome. After that, make sure that you are using the search tab right here, or you are in this place. Right here, type Midjourney Discord. After that, make sure that you can find the following: https://discord.com, the invite, and then Midjourney. Click on it. After that, make sure that you either have Discord installed in your desktop or head to a new tab and create a new Discord account. Once that is done, head back to your Discord account and make sure to join Midjourney Discord by clicking the join button that will exist here or in the top right corner. After that is done, you're gonna head to the following room. You can scroll down right here, as you can see, and you will find this followings: newcomer. Right here, as you can see, in newcomer, you can find either click on it, and this will open newbies 34, newbies 34, and then here newcomer room, whatever room, and then choose on it and click it. You can even right click on the bot and invite it to a server. You can simply create a server by clicking add server, and you'll be good to go. Now to the actual tutorial. So I'm gonna go back to Google and I'm gonna choose an image of tree. For example, let's use this image. We can download this image, so save image as, download it right here, and then as you can see, make sure that the image is saved as e.jpg, not if like it is right here. So I'm gonna choose another image, right click, save image as, and right here it will work just fine. Now that we have an image of a tree, let's save. All we have to do, click on this image, go to your Discord and drag. So again, if you are unable to do this, all you will have to do is the following: upload, as you can see right here. And here you go, my image is absolutely uploaded, or I can click on this plus button and navigate my image. Now, after I upload my image, all I'm gonna do is click enter. And this will load up my image, as you can see right here. After my image is loaded, I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna do copy link. And then I can use /imagine prompt, make sure to use tabulation to auto complete, and then post the link of the image with another image, and then I can even use a prompt like make tree bigger. And that's about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.